New box on the bench. Although I've been lazy about cleaning the first bench off, so I set up and made space on my other bench. I really need to get busy and clean, but can't clean when there's boxes to open like this. This is something I ordered last week, and it's arrived already, which I'm always excited by how quickly they've gotten shipping figured out. On these engines, and I guess I should have a real knife. Alright, maybe I need to find a real knife. Here, an original X-Acto pen knife. It's very nice protective corners, but cover on that so we don't stab ourselves later. Oh, beautiful. When this got delivered, I heard the delivery man drop kick this into my vestibule. And there's a dent on the side from the long shipping, but here is the muffler. And can I lift this? Oh, let's take some more packing out. There we are. One very large diesel engine model. Wow, this thing is amazingly well packed. So let's see. Oh, it looks like the inside here is just shrink wrapped. Or rather plastic wrapped, not even shrink wrapped, but wow. All right. Let's see what else we got. We have some fittings here and a little copper extension for attaching the exhaust pipe. And let's see. The other side here we've got the hole for our exhaust, and they've got let me hold the exhaust valve open. It's got oil all over it. Just checking to see, it appears that it still only has single set screw on many of the gears, because I don't know if you've been following Thomas PC Guru and some of the other guys that got the first run on these engines. They got there have been some refinements. This is, I believe, a second run engine, but it's got a nice throttle here to help to run with. So I guess I need to find some fuel and see if we can get this started. But shipping was so great. I usually expect a few weeks, but I think I ordered this, I'll have to look it up, about a week ago, and it's already arrived. Oh, and there is a compression release lever on this, so you can get it spinning before you start it. So yeah, this is definitely the second run, because it's got a compression release built in on the end here, so you can hold the exhaust valve open and spin it up to get it going. So very exciting. And a few of the gears are steel cut now. I believe, I'd have to go look at Thomas's videos, but I think these two gears were brass on the first run of these engines. So very exciting.